Okay, so to multiply a row by a column, you have to have the same number of quantities in the row as you have in the column, so you can match them up. Then you just take the first number times the first number and multiply them. And the second number times the second number and multiply them. And the third number times the third number and multiply them and add up the results. In this case, if I did the arithmetic correctly, you get 27. Then I posed this question, and I think everybody got it. Okay? 2 negative 3 times C1 C2 is 2 times C1 minus 3 times C2. Okay? Now I'm going to go a little further. I'm going to write 2 negative 3, 3, 1 multiplied by C1 C2. Okay? Now there are two possible ways I can multiply a row by a column, right? I've got this row that will multiply this column, and I've got this row that can multiply this column, right? Well, when I multiply the first row by this column, I'm going to put that number in the first row of this matrix, of that quantity. And when I multiply the second row by the column, I'll put it in the second row of this. It's a matrix. Okay, it's a column, but it's a matrix. Okay, and maybe I didn't leave myself enough room to write it out clearly, so I'll give myself a little more room. But it should be clear now that if we do that, first row times the column gives us 2C1 minus 3C2, and the first row times the second column gives us 3C1 plus C2, right? Does that make sense? Okay.